Ina be me wona okay. We ya kio we. Ni me adiodo na do besta. But I bear the platform in me. Uno followers in lose. Udu pa because he na tama me mommy ewe na ewe mi na ina ye we rude that way. Only followers in lose. Rude that way. A kate e ni ba wa tie boji ne. Why gbe ni ya gbo were owo muyere. Owo pe amuyere. And the life history ya odo o se no do e mana mu o ka te life history ya ma do ni. Why gbe ni gbo were bana. We platform we gbe odo. Yes, I come. I could a devil no or even a mero nyazinki. La wo. Me man do with life in me. I don't give a damn, I don't give a shit. One no more. Or who are the recording me in my corner? Azagba, ain't a time now. Who can record me now? Yeah, well, if you do, I do the recording me. Why recording me? Ne kena guegwan. Who do post you WhatsApp me? On a evil monitoring spirit. Se na kama wo se on wo hin la wo do wo mo sare ya agbe odo. Me ma e o kede ya de niya. Ihu de gbe ki platform for the second time. Wo westa David Ihu on transfer in Jerry water. E me nu tani e bonesta ti wo hin agbe mi. David o khai we yi demila o wo hin ona mo pa no du ariri. So ayela la no wo khai ya ti o hin gbo won o gbodo I don't give a fuck, I don't give a shit. Igbe agana tie we eli. Imahon utie boyo adewu ga we mi atie da. Uga woli va da imahon ni wo. Awenesta. Imame hon we tie adewu gbon ti awun were da imahon ni. Omo no ri wi mu were. Omo no wi we o maka o ti o da fon ka o we ni o ke mu we no da fon e wo ya sun ebo o maka mu gbegbo we ke amu gbo won ere ati ebo wa ati ebo se nebo me ke na gbe o se nebo re gbon ro pa because ere ati ebo area. Me ma come from a Christian family. He's so bani. He came like church. So he want everything about tradition. Eli here. Me prononce. Adewa we bona arewa o because me ma begebo. E shani we mi ni ayu pe shani gwe. E ga abege. Iwa wa ilala. Ma bega ilala. But why fair wine wa kuwe kodo we no mo were o ke no like platform me do kama me social media kingi no gun e no deva go from Victor ni on talent anyway wo tami already talking me then any stupid person who do boom and deal with disrespect when you are deleted my bira bijou 7 yo proof ni daji Even so doy. Who not a who know ve. O gwa beluwa bitu wa deva wa uwa sunwa. Wara kama ya delete video. Nika delete wa unwe followers no wareba. Wa hohoa. Uga imwe kwa ha yo no wa di wa no do akama we ya delete video. U fofo o kwikwi o wi ansakhi o wi edokhi o imae. Imae. Ekwemu wa ni gume gun we baby wa ya se. O mo egbe we lati an. Iga gbe nu ye sion. Igbo bi edo na hin. Igbo we nu ya mo se na no. Ya agbele video ni kwa. And ya agbele kwa baba na egbele kwa ni. Because I pay me wo. What di se o. Ogun gbelu wa butu wa gbe o. Oti ewe yen mate mi no gbujin. Ige social media yen na yen no gbujin. And the voice mo ra agun. Ori la platform on a introduce egbe. Or we no fracomonzo, fracundon. Or what platform of Bohin, where to talk about here, yan dukun. Oh, that's one gwan. When they yak bije, oh, that's one gwan. Oh, gwan buwa. I'm to have the vagwa. The secret in when woman, wa my muladian. Wa mo hi alatian wa mo hira me latian wa mo bi chebe no gu latian no gi parlement su gboloko iba pop ta wa bo la wa gbe a wora kama we ni delete video now for the past 3-4 months it deleted the delete ni ke se aiba abwa be yu bwa bum bwa wa ogun gbeluwa wa gbe o ima wo ti e wo liver ma huyin ima won ni I don't know ya me analyze next time itakian or we analyze or we mo analyze any as a woba. Yes, she said the truth. Aga me wo liver we ni ona we bete wo liver iwo ge no o wana ma biehi uro wo do no de gbe kian wa gboro wa o mojo mari oja eni ka o tayo to o wanu biehi meti ga o hin wani o meti ga o hin wani na keta o wanu ma biehi le bi wo Oliver gele huwe ni bene esge friend Oliver khai agwa no na we bede ba wa gbe wa bi wa su wa de va wa be bonu wa mu e bonu wa ti ogbuwa do come me and when you go go and drop a video did it come with your photo do mudomo wa what to tag command me o ko ga gbuwa ben wa oppress me ihe wo tie bo owe mila owo ono ika we yen mo mi lo da fi ne edun arire boy agbe David ime awe oro ya te bo we mo mila ne arire ya ge wa tie bi ma ho ha sala do mena yela la nutia mabege shani lesi ga bege mabega yela la abe shani lesi go yela na we point o pakara inwina ne mani le webo ne kela webo ta calling me ijo eniyan izo eniyan imeniyan gbole emi o ikela webo imaye gbo kan la webo gbona won ya la webo so don't you dare to ro kona ebon wati o o ma ya no gun egun ebon wati ma ni kiyan gbe e start to show Ebonutie oya gbe madan were ugbotia no wo emu were webu ebonutie yan gbe amen awene eli ekia mamila o ekia te wa dotroso ati wa shawo amati wa shawo ebonutie ogbe David wa zuo beto wa deva wa be nere ne to de wa ma meme kwa yigbe wa keri wa meme iwe ni wa unwa ude followers ni wa hule ya kwa ude matuwa iya ga yin me dere mama egbe star urototo ugbe upa ugbe ni me gbe for 3 months a wa be yo wa bun a deva wa osun ogun ogbo anybody no yezo gwalo me ogun kan gbo ale no popo Kọ̀wákọ̀ náà ìtẹ̀wé mọ̀dàfọ́kà orí ìwọ̀n ìka kẹ́nu náà àdé social media tó àtẹ̀wé mọ̀dàfọ́kà ó gbọ́ kan gbó ẹ̀ wà dẹ́fà wà mẹ́hẹ́ mọ̀dàfọ́kà mẹ́hẹ́ Amẹ́ríkà I'm African woman ìyá Americana I'm a be àdó ẹ̀ mọ̀dàfọ́kà drop this mọ̀dàfọ́kà wẹ́ẹ́ diẹ mẹ́ à ẹ̀ jẹ́jẹ́ sínú gẹ́lẹ́lẹ́ ní hìá yá àdẹ́gbẹ́ yá blọ́kì ẹ̀ náà rẹ̀ àtúrẹ̀ wọn. Why can I wa? I think we are blocking destiny wa. I blocky loco wa. I blocky grace wa. I blocko o emi ya fenu so lo ba ri nu wa ya dagbo. Ya wa do boy free ya wa to riba. Ya block wa ya one by one. Owa no si o ma ye zo e o si o ma. Owa no si o ma ye zo re onu o si o ma. Ohun dan ofo no ga guan emi no ha me wono mu yoto ebu ya ha me mu yoto ewe mama oda opa iwo mommy ewe saga oda me mi agu egun aya tebo no oda me una ro to piti o mayo to kun to enu ya mo stare esa wo mu yere o di ehye yin wo do mu yere e force no tie wo do mu ere o se voice wo no ya tie se ye ti gbigbi ni baby mo we wa ka me ke mana me gbe mo me fu abore me mo go explanation mo me fu abore rubbish wa ri sinwu na wa jija me chebore e wo bi je be no Esther de dogbo avena Esther was already a presenter before me came like presenter about disrespecting me there ege no ya so disrespecting me only ege ni ya so ate David olunwo olemi mo ege no ya so disrespecting me ege no ya so gbọ́dọ̀ atemata iyo we gbuna me we ge awuni ya goge na yo won we sta keke be jeri eje ina wa gboboro hin una ladian ibe e hu ladian eni hi osi ina ladian me picture star ladian otherwise see guy we anybody no to a platform me ni unu ni ya tie we wo se mo hin oloho ikedo ya ka wo hin mo hin onuni ya khane wo sevon oloho ikedo yununi ya khawo yan mo alawo bo asile walwa odo epon waya ti ezil ko waya ti eli e David ade woman we ni David ta e boy gbe David o makan I'm a presenter social media na me we e na pick e wuto o to phone go e na boy
Go to sleep.
okay
Ali hurry, you know it.
yeah e na boy to the yes we matana ana mo we na me la e na gbo we kira me zo why apology me jeje wo gbegbe ni bi o ohonu wa gbe Wa be kame o eni a wa be take the apology and take him take you asu wa ba kame. Eri ma iragbo omo kame ma send mo pa. Ni jime we ni adogbele kwa. Ni jime wa dogbele kwa. Ya wa be gbele ni jime o kwa wa be bi o we. Be vie la wa. Hello. Asigba no eri odugun sin ogun. What is it? Akwa be zola no kwa. No, akwa new week. Ime ge saga. But wa Solomon. Una remain la dia. Ide do bo. But oge why topic come. Saga why topic no. But wa Solomon ide do bo. Hello. Ogbon se dem no ya gbe mi. Dem pa no ya gbe mi. Na ge kakos we don do aro to ya gun. Nto pa ma kin but we wona no mu. To boy agbo mo nuri re mo mu ere. Mama omoro pare we bo. Ye pimp. Wona no mu. I record we record me no waro to wa record. Can you imagine a 10 you he wa ge me o waro to the platform me o wa record me ya o ga record me ya ni o send the egume the WhatsApp only at a monitoring spirit only at a monitoring spirit de nwa pa ma wa a monitoring spirit ni ya tam wa the meaning monitoring spirit. The meaning of monitoring spirits. Monitoring spirits to you. Anybody no record when do me with telephone, me of your go with telephone. We are monitoring spirits. Monitoring spirits to you. I'm don't we are zone. I'm don't. I think when I be man, my goal of life me. I will tell you. We didn't know it, but Omakati mu gbegbo me wo man we no gele mu were dadandan o mationi aya atebi maho o se wanata we bonore do nwuna e bonore do nwuna yen ti ese wa ti ese mo so nwuna o mo so nwuna na mo se na nwuna ido igodo mi godo wo se na nwuna. When you fake account, what do I go? You can't want to fake account, why go? Anybody know you fake account, go. You might do for family to who, you might do sorry, you might do more killing, you might do yamuking, why you do go, eh? Master no go, or I said no go, you re account where you are. So why we pack one side? Sending nika kuladia on a vie we sele ladia Rundawe. Rundawe no. Ayene nesta no ve fioe. Ona ve fioe yo why. Igbe aro happy. No gbe aro happy yo wo. No ka wo me. So buena. Now you were saying I know you were seeing where you are begwe me. Mama yo. Otani yeke iwon la lo. Otani yeke iwon la lo. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I say that no you were so where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I say I know you were so where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Otani yeke where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe. Now I said I know you were so where you are begwe.